Hi, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial about how to use Merlin Guides. So let's say I'm a new employee, I've just opened up SalesforceIQ and I'm about to create a new task, but I don't know how to create it how my company wants me to do it. So I can bring up Merlin Guides at any point in the top right hand corner here, and here are a list of tasks that are relevant towards SalesforceIQ. So luckily at the top there's a creating a task in SalesforceIQ, so I can select that. And then what's happening now is I'm actually being taken through the process step by step, kind of like if someone was sort of guiding me through each of the different parts of the process. Nothing needed to be added to SalesforceIQ at any of these points in order to be able to do this sort of task. I'm just being taken through without anything, by a guide that was created by one of my teammates. So here we are. I'll just go through this guide, and then in a second what I'll do is I'll show you how simple it is to create a guide exactly like that. So we need to select a date, and then click save here. So normally with a lot of other tools, and we can give a nice little rating at the end here, most of the tools take a lot to be able to create a guide like that. So with Merlin, we're trying to make it really simple for anyone to be able to create a guide. So they can just bring up Merlin, select the add button here. Then all we have to do is say, is this the right page to start the task on? We'll just say yes to make things simple. Click on start. And then all I have to do is actually do that task that I just did right now. Search for a name in the system, search for Charles, bring that up, click on the description, here is a description, come down to the bottom here, select date in the system, and click save. So you notice in the bottom right hand corner here, Merlin is constantly updating with each action. So I can click on these action tabs here and I can see a screenshot of each of the different steps in the process. You can see we've automatically inferred that click on a new task is a way of describing it. All of these details are sort of added in. If I want to, I can actually edit any of these sections as well with a custom message. I can include images, text, video, embed some content, bullet points, etc. in that system too. So now once I've finished and I'm happy with that guide, I can click on the finish button and you'll see here are all the different areas. This is the custom message that I just customized there as well. Just click on next. Then I just have to give it a name. We'll call this example video 1. Click on next. Then I have permissions, so I can select just for myself, for groups like sales, marketing, etc. if I want to keep them separate, or a guide for the whole company. We'll just select just me for now. And then now that I've finished, I can actually download this as HTML content if I want to. I can share this guide directly with a link. Or what I can do is if I just click finish here, we can actually just run through that guide that I just created there. So you'll notice the example video 1 here. I can just click on that. And now I'm being taken through exactly as you saw before that previous guide in the system as well. Merlin can work on top of any piece of software. Have a look at our other videos for a few other different solutions that you could use it for as well. And check us out at merlinguides.com.